We spoke. Now next word is steal. What is the meaning of steal? Dear students, steal mean take something without permission. And what will be the second form of verb of steal? It will be stole. Steal, stole. So answer will be stole. Now number 8 word is ride. Dear students, ride mean a journey made or a bicycle or a vehicle. A journey made on a bicycle or vehicle is called ride. And what will be the second form of verb of ride? It will be rode. So answer will be rode. Now next word is build. Dear students, build mean construct something by putting parts of material together, like building. Build a new building. So now we will search second form of verb of build. What is the second form of verb of build? Built. So answer will be built. Now next word is creep. Dear students, creeping means move slowly, like creeping worms. Now we will search second form of verb of creep. It will be crept. So answer will be crept. Dear students, now let's start the B part of our topic, which is write the verbs in past time which will fill the gaps. Now what we have to write? We have to write verbs past time in these spaces. First fill in the blank is he dashed to the seaside on his new bicycle. Dear students, I have seen the picture. What we do with bicycle? Yes, what we do with the bicycle? We ride. Now we will search what is the second form of verb of ride. It will be rode. So answer will be rode. He rode to the seaside on his new bicycle. Now second sentence is the boat filled with water and dash. Dear students, if boat fills with water, then what will happen? It will be sink. So now we will search second form of verb of sink. And yes, we have found. Second form of verb of sink will be sank. So answer will be sank. The boat filled with water and sank. Now number 3 fill in the blank is the boy dashed the school bell. Yes, think and tell me what we do with the bell. We ring the bell. Now we will find second form of verb of ring, and it will be rang. The boy rang the school bell. Now number 4 filling the blank is the gardener dashed some beautiful roses.